So class, I hope you all have understood what is really the centrifugal force is. Centrifugal, center, try to understand. You all have done the activities. What happens when from the center to outwards? The force is applied from the center to outwards is called as centrifugal force. Okay? Getting all of you. And gravitational means what? Each and every object which is having mass is attracted towards the center is gravitational force. Okay, so in all the above activities, so whatever the activities were done by you all, I hope you all have done it, each and every one. So in all the above activities, the effect of centrifugal force is visible in all the activities. Which force is visible? Centrifugal force is visible. Hmm? The centrifugal force acts in the direction opposite to the gravitational force. Are you all getting it? I told you, I showed you the diagram of centrifugal, gravitational and centrifugal. Try to understand. Gravitational force means the force is attracted in the center, and centrifugal force means the force is applied from the center towards outside. Opposite to gravitational force is centrifugal force. Why we all are telling you about this centrifugal force? Why? Because we have to learn the tides. That's why. Hmm? So centrifugal means, see, centrifugal means going away from the center. What is the meaning of centrifugal? Moving away from the center is known as centrifugal. You must have experienced it too. At the local fairs, if you sit in a Ferris wheels. Yes, do you know what are Ferris wheels? Yes, in a fair. Jatra. Okay, there are ferry wheels. So you could see that how it moves. Okay, and the force is from center towards outwards. Your seat spins and leans outward away from the wheel as if somebody is throwing you out. You feel when you sit in the ferry wheels, we feel that you we are been some force is pushing us outwards. This also is an effect of centrifugal force. Why do we feel this? Because of the centrifugal force. Yes, class, please try to understand first what is centrifugal force. Then it is easy for us to explain how does the tides occur. Okay, so same things happen, same thing from the force from center to outward. Now here they are saying that divide the students into two equal teams, conduct a game of tug of war for 5 minutes, discuss their experience in the class. Okay class, now just tell me, do you all know what is tug of war? One big rope is there, okay, and there is center. Okay, one center, we tie one handkerchief in the center. Okay, then marking is given in the center, then two teams are there on both the both the sides. Okay, and what does the team has to do? They have to pull the other team. Now see here, what is happening over here? The force is applied from both the directions. The force is applied from both the directions. Yes, yes, are you all getting it? So what happens? The center where the handkerchief is there, Okay, from there the force is applied in the opposite direction. Why? Because it is in both the directions. Clear? So this is now see centrifugal and gravitational force. Due to its rotation, which rotation? The earth and revolution. Okay, but what we are going to see now? Rotation. Rotation means what? To move around some. Rotation means what? Sorry, to rotate around itself. Revolution, to rotate revolve around some another object. Okay, so due to its rotation, the earth gets a type of power of force. So when earth is rotating, okay, when earth is rotating, it gets the power or force. You all also just try to do one thing. I'm telling you, stand, okay, and put your hands aside and just try to do ringa ringa roses. See what happens. Okay, you will also feel that some force is pulling you. Okay, so this force works away from the center. Yes, you are in the center, earth is in the center, and when earth rotates, what happens? Some force is applied outside. It is called centrifugal force. See figure 3.5 here. This one. This figure, okay? So, due to this force, any object on the earth would be thrown into space. Because of this force, any object would be thrown into space. However, the gravitational force is working towards the center of the earth at the same time. This force is many times greater than the centrifugal force. Which force? Gravitational force is many times greater than the centrifugal force. Hence, any object on the surface of the earth remains at the place where it exists. Means what? Whatever is there on the earth, it is on the earth itself. Why? Because of the gravitational force. Okay, so both the force are, when earth is rotating, centrifugal force or power gets out. Okay, but because of the gravitational force, what happens? Whatever is there on the earth, it remains there only. Just observe this figure now, all of you. See here. G is equal to gravitational force. C is equal to centrifugal force. Can you all see here? Now see, this is the North Pole. What is this? North Pole. And the force is thrown out, applied outside. Okay. Now this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. This is the North Pole, this is the South Pole. Okay, see, it is same. It is the Earth. But here only North Pole is shown. Here North Pole and South Pole is shown, and this is the force in the center, applied in the center. This is the force applied in the center. Earth is rotating. What? Earth is rotating. Okay. Now North Pole, South Pole. Okay. Now what is this M? What is this M? Moon. Now see, North Pole, South Pole. Inside, it is gravitational force G, and outside it is centrifugal force. Are you all getting it? inside G is for gravitational force, C is for centrifugal force. So G gravitational force, C centrifugal force. Have you all understood what is figure 3.5? Clear class?